Hi explorers, and welcome to our drive to the Magnolia Ridge Corps of Engineers Park in Woodville, Texas, where you will see some beautiful scenes of the park. The camping rate when we stayed here was about $20 for a 50-amp site with water, but with our America the Beautiful Senior Pass it was $10 a night. They don't have a sewer connection, but you can use the dump site on the way out. The campsites are nicely spaced, and many have a view of Steinhagen Reservoir. This is a great place for boating and fishing, as they do have a boat ramp. They say there are alligators here, but we did not see any on this trip. There was a fire pit, but a burn ban was in place due to drought conditions. We're in our spot, site number 20. In Magnolia Ridge, COE Park in Texas. This is what we see out the back window. We have a fire pit, but there's a burn ban on right now. And a covered picnic area. It was so quiet and peaceful during our 2-night stay, and I was mesmerized by the way the sunlight danced across the textured bark of the beautiful cypress trees. Like the way the water reflects the light onto the trees. Let's see if it shows up on the phone. It's even on the moss there on the right. See the bands of light. I can also see it on those tree trunks over there. I think I turned the video on too late to catch the thunder. But it's coming. Let's take a moment to enjoy the peace and beauty of God's creation. Thank you so much for watching. We really hope you enjoyed seeing some of the park, and we invite you to see our video of the nearby Martin Dies Jr. State Park by clicking the link in the description. See you next week. Bye for now.